We are halfway through December and halfway through Abort 73's year-end fundraising campaign, Give Like You Mean It. But we're not quite halfway to our goal. In fact, we're stuck at about 35% right now, the $10,000 we're trying to raise. One of the challenges that Abort 73 faces is the people who are most likely to be excited about the work that we're doing, the people we most need to reach with the truth about abortion, are also the people who are the least likely to make a donation. I was just reading at Forbes that in the United States, almost 70% of every dollar donated comes from those aged 49 and above. People between the ages of 32 and 48 make up about 20% of the donations, and those aged 18 to 32 only give about 10%. They didn't even bother estimating levels for those under the age of 18. So you see the problem. The people we need to reach, the people we're trying to reach, are those who statistically don't give very much. If you're in that demographic, especially if you're a student, I'd like to challenge you to change that. Even if you don't have a regular source of income, Christmas is just around the corner. You can ask friends or family to make a donation to Abort 73 in lieu of a present, or you can take some of the Christmas cash you're likely to receive and make a donation yourself. American young people have a reputation for being materialistic and self-absorbed, but this is a great chance to challenge that assumption. So please make a donation to Abort 73 and give like you mean it. Thank you.